Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Johan Bintang Pratama. You can call me Johan. Today, I will do short interview with professional in the field. Okay. My first question is, what's your full name? Where do you work? And as what?
Okay, Johan. So I can call you Johan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, Johan. So my name is Taufik Anwar, and actually, all of my friends call me Taufik. And currently, I work at Pusat Gadai Indonesia as a front-end developer.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Taufik.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, we will uh to first question. Okay,
All right,
can you
go
tell
ahead.
us about your career journey and how you became interested in this field?
Okay. So my career journey started when I was still in college. At the time, I already took a freelance projects as a web developer, and after that, I tried to apply some works, of course, after my graduation. And finally, I work as a front-end developer in my first company, then moved to my current company, and still I am a front-end developer right now. And you asked how I became interested in this field. And I became interested in this field because I actually just enjoy everything about
Yeah, just
programming
enjoy it.
and everything related to IT stuff. And
Oh,
I just like building something and solving any problems through a code or software.
okay,
That's
that's
it.
brilliant. Okay, the second question is, what was your dream job when you were younger, and how does it compare to your current job now?
Okay, so honestly, I didn't really have any specific dream job when I was younger,
Mhm.
but when you ask how does it compare with my current job, I mean, compared to my current job, I'm really happy because, I work in something that I actually enjoy it. So even though it wasn't a childhood dream job, I still enjoy being a software developer because, it's kind of hobby, I think.
Okay, okay, okay,
That's it.
okay, okay. Good answer. Okay. Next question. Could you share your experience in getting your current job? What challenge
Hmm.
did you face during the process?
Okay. Yeah, actually, it's pretty interesting short story about me. So in my first job, you know, I had zero experience about the stuff or technology they use. They use Vue.js as a technology, by the way, and
Okay.
I had no idea about what is Vue.js. So I only had around 2 days to learn the tech they use, and also I working on the test they gave to me in 2 days. It's learning and working on the test in 2 days. And
In 2 days.
it was stress, yeah, in 2 days. And it was stressful at first, but I kept learning and still trying error, and I learning more. And surprisingly, I passed the test. I don't
Okay.
know, but surprisingly, I passed the test.
Okay, okay.
I think it's because I have a great fundamental, I think.
Mhm.
So when you have a great fundamentals and you need to learn something new in technology, it's just easier because you have the strong fundamentals.
Okay. This is so interesting topic. Okay.
Okay.
Would you describe the work culture in your company and your current role there?
The work culture. Okay.
Mhm.
In my current company, the work culture is pretty chill, because most of people in my department are still young. So we have same vibe and we have same humor, I think. I don't know. I don't know how to say that.
Okay.
But yeah, it's not that formal in my department. So it's just chill because everyone is in the same age.
Okay.
And there's also not much micromanagement. So it make work much comfortable, I think.
Okay.
And my role itself as a front-end developer,
Mm-hmm.
and my main job is fetching data from backend and make an user interface that match a great user interface and also user experience.
Okay.
Okay.
I like that. Okay. My last question.
Okay.
What advice, what advice would you give to students who want to enter this field or industry in the future?
What advice?
Mm-hmm.
I think first I go with you have not to rely only what you learn in college, because a lot of stuff that you learn in college is kind of not really relevant with the real industry. So you need to learn out of your college, like you do an internship, you learn from any YouTube tutorials, you read documentation, and a lot of stuff that you need to learn outside your study in college. And second, um, I think you have to try get internship or freelance as much as you can because
Okay.
that's where you can get a real world problem that you can solve with the code or software. And last but not least,
Mm-hmm.
you have to learn to use AI properly because it can really, really help you to increase your productivity, both in working or learning. So you have to learn how to use AI properly. I think
Okay.
that's it for me.
That's all.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's all.
Okay. Okay. Maybe that's all for this short interview. So thank you for your time, Uncle Taufik.
Yeah.
Thank you for the time. So interesting for me and my friend. Okay, that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.